Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kawai ke Dukan di Juti kepada kam satrai du hayo Tibet market ha police Bazar Shillong kala ingkong na jingkem ding kabala jaha kapor khat ash teng sinya jong ka shpho trek uya yang arjar arfulai kat hado bal penmi ya gani khubor ampala satya bantep ya ka daw tan rai halo gani ke jing Pluh jong gani ga yo ki pulut jong ka fire and emergency services jong ka Bazar fire station ka Nongthamai fire station bat ka search and rescue team jong ka Maulai fire station kila lej mar ran pelip ya gading kabala klang hapo gani ke Dukan bar kala shempor ru hadu lai kan tai e ban pelip ya gading ha gani ke jingja lai thu bagi wei pa ki Dukan ki badan markhap kila shakta na ka jingrung jong ka tadam kabala punjulori ki jan ba ki wei ki jing dia
नीचे में ही है नहीं गेट का पास में बंद है
That much I don't have any idea about all this, but last night I received one call around 1 o'clock a.m. At that time the incident has already took place. So fire brigade people, they came here and they already spray this water and everything. So there is only smoke is there at that time. Later, after clearing all the smokes and we open all these windows, then it is quite clear. Down there one temporary shop is there, it's quite big losses there. Yeah, partially a little bit on because of the smoke and they spray a lot of water, no, that's much, and no more that much big losses are there. That approximately 50-60 might be there. I can't say, but it will take around 2-3 days to restore all this wiring and everything. I can't say anything because when I reach here, it's already took place.